This video is for 4th grade, Module 6, Lesson 13. I'm doing it from the comfort of my couch. The sun's not even up yet. Good morning. I figured since we're at home doing math, we might as well get comfy. And it's super cold this morning. So here we go. So let's open up our books to page 95. I actually want us to do some stuff on the side. So if you are doing this video with me, step by step, perfect. Always make sure, I'm going to give you a reminder, to pause this video to work the problem. Do you like my subscribe? Subscribe and follow me, Jennifer Carey, on YouTube, for all these remote learning videos. You still get my amazing personality. Oh my gosh. All right, you guys. So again, sorry that the video is going to be wobbly. You can always listen to each step. So let's do, oh, you know what? I forgot to talk about the target. Okay, we're going to be adding decimal numbers by converting to fraction form. Now I'm actually going to show you two different ways. You guys know I always do. Always make sure you are doing the best you can and you're doing it your way to make sure that you have the correct problem. So how about this? I'm going to show you adding in decimals and adding in fractions. And I'm going to give you both of the sums. So remember, the sum, oh, this is fun, writing on the couch. The sum means the answer to an addition problem. You know it'd be convenient right now? Those tables that Miss April got us. Yeah. See? Bubbly personality. You guys never know what you're going to get. All right, so let's do an example of like 3/10 plus 17 hundredths. So we could do it in decimal form, 3/10. And you guys know how I like to add this way. I almost set it up the wrong way. 17 hundredths, 3/10. 7 plus 0, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. And so you got 47 hundredths. What does that really look like in fraction form? 47 hundredths. So this is our target today. Now, we will be using whole numbers also, so like mixed numbers. So let's do one that way. Let's do 3 5/10 plus, you guys know I always just think of numbers. 1, let's do how old I am, 38 hundredths. No, I am not 100, I'm 38, remember that. All right. So this time, let's do it in fraction form. So you guys know we cannot add a 10 and a 100. So we need to convert this 10 into a 100. And whatever you do to the bottom, that's right, you do to the top. So you really have 3 50 hundredths. And I bet you guys knew that just by looking at it. Oi! Plus 1 38 hundredths. Now we can add. Because they're both hundredths. So let's do some mental math. What's 50 and 38? Yep, 88 hundredths. And then let's add the whole numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4. So your sum is 4 and 88 hundredths. But now put that in decimal form. 4 and 88 hundredths. Remember, same thing. So that is our target today. So now, since I'm writing on the couch, oh, look at what I did. Isn't that fun? Today may be the only video on the couch because again, I am holding a phone, writing, and now at a weird angle. So just a suggestion, make sure you guys are sitting in a comfortable spot, but also make sure it's not like more work, because right now I feel like it's more work for me. But I'm already here and I am actually comfortable, so let's do this. Go ahead and start on number 1. Let me move my post-it. Start on number 1. It says to solve. Convert tenths to hundredths. So remember, that's multiplying. 10 by 10 is 100 to convert it. Then find the sum. So you have 10 plus 3. Hopefully you guys figure that out. And then don't forget about your whole number. So I'm just going to go ahead and help you guys with this one. We already said that's 13 hundredths. And then you also have your 2. So your sum is 2 and 13 hundredths. Let's go ahead and do this over here. Oi. I'm going to write it bigger. So we're doing 2 and 1/10 plus 3 hundredths. Let's see what you get. 3, 1, 2. What? They're the same. 2 and 13 hundredths. 2 and 13 hundredths. All right, you guys, I want you to pause the video. Work on number 1 and number 2. When you're done with number 1 and 2, check your answers. Yay, hopefully you guys got those. Times 10 times 10. It's 3 24 hundredths plus 70 hundredths. Mental math, we got 3, 7, 4, 7, 8, 9, 94. We could do this 3 and 24 hundredths plus 7/10. 4, 9, 3. What? They're the same. All right, let's do 3. I'm going to do decimal form. You guys, decimal form is my favorite. And then I'll do the other way also. So 7/10. 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's convert fraction. 3 24 hundredths plus 8 70 hundredths. What? All right. Rewrite in decimal form, no problem. So I'm just going to do this all in decimal form. 6 and 9, but you guys know I always have my 0. And then 1 and 10. Oh, I see some regrouping we got to be doing. Hundredths is a 0, but look at that's 10. 6, 7, 8. Yes. All right, 9 and 9/10. Add my 0. 2 and 45 hundredths. Oh my gosh, this is taking me back to 2nd grade on when you started adding super easy decimals. Might have been 3rd grade. 10, 12. Yes. Again, it just says decimal form, so I'm doing everything in decimal form. My bent paper, 2 and 4/10, again, always adding my 0 into that hundredths. 90 hundredths, add 0, 13, 10, 11, 11 and 30 hundredths. And last one, 6 and 37 hundredths, plus 7 and 7/10, 7, 10. Oh, I noticed we had to regroup on all these. 7 and 7 are 14. So your answer should be 14 and 7 hundredths. All right, go ahead and pause, work out the rest. Make sure you guys are sending me your dojo or a picture through dojo. I believe you need that code. I posted the code on Google Classroom this morning. So make sure you guys get that code. You could still send it to me. If not, you could always get on your parents' dojo and send me a picture. So I want you guys to solve the rest. Look at this is all in decimal form. Now the directions say rewrite the expression in fraction form. So I'll do the first one for you or with you. Should be doing this with me. Remember, don't copy all my answers. Don't cheat yourself. But do this first one with me. And then I want you guys to take a picture of number 3 and your exit ticket. Because I know you guys could do this. I know you guys could do this. By the way, I miss you. Missing you guys every day. All right, so I'm going to put this in fraction form. Again, bad idea about doing this video on the couch. So 6, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm automatically going to do 40 hundredths. Because look at, I could just add a 0 right there, make my 40 hundredths, plus, oh my gosh, I could have left these in tenths, how funny, 30 hundredths. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do lots of double work right now. 6 and 4/10, plus 5 and 3/10. I didn't even bother looking at the place value. Again, they're all the same. Or you can even look at all of these different ways you could solve the same problem. 7, what is that, 11? 11 and 7/10. 11 and 7/10. Or 11 and 70 hundredths. All right, so one more time. Finish number 2, just kidding, number 3, and your exit ticket. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Or, oh yeah, and today on Zoom at 10:30. I'll share the link.